Welcome to Paychex Flex. Ready to see how easy payroll can be? Begin or resume payroll. It's simple to get started with a convenient dashboard shortcut. Resume payroll. Populate standard pay and hours or manually enter details. Enter payroll details. Andrea earned a $250 bonus. Let's add that here. Review and submit. See pre-processing reports and totals for payroll accuracy. Send timely notifications. Alert individuals to review their check or report issues. Submit for processing. Click Submit Payroll and let us take care of the rest. Run payroll quickly and easily. Enter payroll in as few as 2 clicks from your desktop or mobile device.